fiber, a dry carbon fiber look, which is a matte finish. We also have carbon flash, which is what we will be installing today. Any of the 12 factory colors or any other color carbon fiber. It is a pretty easy install. There's 2 bolts on each side, and all you're gonna need is this tool right here, a cordless drill and a T30 torque bit. I'm gonna start by doing the install on each side. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the 2 bolts. The whole install should only take you about 5 minutes. Have the 2 bolts. Now there is a little tab that goes into the hole that's already on the car. Make sure the tab goes in there, and all you gotta do is just put it in place, put the bolts back on. As easy as that. We're done with the first side. We'll go ahead and remove the 2 bolts. We'll put the tab in place. Set it down. Put the bolts back on. There you have it. The install of our engine appearance package literally took me less than 5 minutes. So if I can do it, you can do it. For more information, make sure to check out SigalaDesigns.com. Don't forget to subscribe. All the information to our social media will be linked below. My name is Wendy Sigala, and we'll see you on the next one.